Welcome to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making something absolutely delicious, crispy, cheesy, and packed with flavor, all in just a few minutes. Get ready for an easy and mouth-watering stuffed bread recipe that will blow your mind. First, take a loaf of bread and cut a hollow space in the center, removing some of the inside to make room for our delicious filling. Now, chop up some fresh red and green bell peppers along with spring onions to add a pop of color and crunch. Next, heat a pan with a little oil and toss in some bacon. Let it sizzle until it's nice and crispy, then season with salt and pepper for that perfect savory kick. Stir well, and once the bacon is golden, add in the chopped bell peppers and spring onions. To make it even heartier, throw in 2 jumbo sausages and keep stirring everything together until the flavors blend beautifully. Now, it's time to assemble. Take your hollowed-out bread and start layering. First, add a generous portion of the bacon and veggie mix, then sprinkle a layer of cheese for that melty goodness. Crack in 4 fresh eggs right on top, letting them nestle into the filling. To finish, add another layer of the bacon mixture and cover everything with a final blanket of mozzarella. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, and once it's out of the oven, get ready for the most satisfying, cheesy, and flavor-packed bite you've ever had. The bread turns golden and crispy on the outside, while the inside is rich, creamy, and oozing with melted cheese and perfectly cooked eggs. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and tasty meals. Try it out and let us know how it turned out. Happy cooking!